is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make your makeup or jewelry organizer at zero cost. Yes, you heard it right, at zero cost. So the trick is we all have got cup boxes in which we get these type of thermocol boxes. Actually I have decorated it already, but we get these thermocol boxes, plain thermocol boxes. So you can actually use these thermocol boxes as your jewelry organizer or your makeup organizer. Either use it plain without decorating it, or you can decorate it like this. So I'll show you how I've decorated it, so keep tuned to the video. So this is how I have organized my makeup box. Here I have put all my foundations, here my eyeliners and kajal, here all the compact powders, here some of the miscellaneous things like nail polish remover, leave-on, etc. Here all my lipsticks, and these are my makeup brushes. And in the second box I have put all the miscellaneous things like nail polish, some of the clips and rubber bands. Here are some safety pins and pins, bangles, all the clutches are here, and my earrings, all the earrings. This video, then please give a thumbs up to this video and do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. Till then, tata, bye bye.